की खूब और का बातें से TV।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Nongïalehkai tenis kabdeg state player jong jala Haryana karadhika yadaf kelasya Siat yap hukupa Lajong hasushan lok kabahab gurugram. Katkum ke kubor balayolum laythu hukupa Siat ya karadhika sankuli hendrai laiteliki kuli kiladai hakamet jongka kane kalajia ying sa jongki hi. Ki kubor kilaythu hukupa domha ya karadhika bakamlen bale reel sa Instagram bat kumtaw la mayaka bat day hang tao bakalami ka jingania hapring jongki bat ha ka jing bitar bat balakloit ba ka jingania ukpa lo Siat yala ka khun karadhika bedang absence nam karta kadek bla job haki babon ki Nongïalehkai tenis ha ka jala Haryana mars niyo jingtip yakani ki pulit kilawan poi ha ka ying sa jongki kila kemi ukpa bat kila korup ya ka pistol jung ka bedai ka pistol ka bedan license la register case yakani jingjia ba ki jing tokit kadang ya shakmat.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.